Experiencing the charging cable not recognized error on your Garmin Venu Sq? You're not alone. This is a common problem caused by dust and debris accumulating in the watch's magnetic charging port. This buildup prevents a solid electrical connection, triggering the error. We'll explain why this happens and how to easily fix it. The Garmin Venu Sq features a magnetic charging system designed for convenience. This system allows the watch to charge wirelessly through magnetic coupling. While this design is convenient, the exposed nature of the charging port makes it vulnerable to collecting debris. Contaminants like lint, skin oils, and sweat can build up in the port. These materials disrupt the magnetic coupling that transfers power between the cable and the watch. Even a small amount of debris can interfere with the connection, leading to charging problems. Maintaining port hygiene is essential to ensure reliable charging and extend the device's lifespan. The good news is, this issue is usually easily resolved with a quick cleaning. You'll need a few simple tools: a soft toothbrush, compressed air, or a cotton swab, and isopropyl alcohol at 70% concentration. Avoid using anything metal or sharp, as this could damage the port. First, gently brush the charging port with a soft toothbrush to loosen any debris. Next, use compressed air to blow out the loosened particles. For stubborn buildup, lightly dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol and gently clean the contacts. Ensure the port is completely dry before attempting to charge. Many users have reported success with this cleaning method. One Reddit user shared their story of fixing a 3-year-old Venu Sq by cleaning the port with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. This simple fix restored full charging functionality and has helped countless others. To prevent future charging issues with your Garmin Venu Sq, consider using a protective port cover when you're not charging your watch. This simple accessory blocks dust and debris from entering the magnetic port. Also, be mindful of your environment. If you're exercising or in a dusty area, clean the port more frequently to remove sweat residues and lint that can accumulate during daily wear. Regular maintenance like this will extend the life of your Venu Sq, helping it last longer and perform better over time. If cleaning the charging port doesn't resolve the charging cable not recognized error on your Garmin Venu Sq, there are several additional troubleshooting steps you can take. First, try using a different USB cable and power adapter. Sometimes the issue isn't with the watch's port, but with worn-out or faulty charging accessories. Make sure to test with a known working cable and adapter that are compatible with the Garmin Venu Sq's magnetic charging system. Second, double-check that the charging contacts on both the watch and the cable are completely clean. Even after initial cleaning, microscopic debris or oils might remain, preventing proper electrical contact. Use a soft, dry cloth or compressed air for a final inspection. Third, if the problem persists, contact Garmin support for further assistance. Their technical team can provide advanced troubleshooting, verify if it's a known issue, or guide you through additional diagnostic steps. You can reach them through the Garmin website or app. Finally, keep in mind that there might be an underlying hardware issue with the watch itself. After years of use, wear and tear can affect the internal charging components, making professional repair or replacement necessary. By following these troubleshooting steps systematically, you can identify whether the issue is with accessories, cleanliness, or requires professional help. The trend in wearable technology is rapidly moving towards maintenance-free designs. Newer models, such as the Garmin Venu 3, released in 2024, already feature improved sealing and enhanced dust barriers to prevent port buildup. Wireless charging is also becoming more widespread, completely eliminating the need for physical ports that can accumulate debris. By 2027, industry experts predict that 30 to 40% of new wearables will incorporate either self-cleaning ports or wireless charging technologies. Garmin is exploring innovative solutions like AI-driven diagnostics in future firmware updates and nanocoating technologies for ports, potentially phasing out these issues in models after 2028. However, for your existing Venu Sq, regular cleaning continues to be the most effective and practical solution.